Hey, gals and guys, it's Chris Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and I'm just here today and opening up some. Of course, I'm here today because here I am. I'm opening up some desktops and some minis today, just to show you what's inside and have a look. And if you're ever interested in looking in the guts of a computer and you're kind of timid as far as opening them and maybe replacing a drive or something, it's not really that difficult. So typically. There's three types of drives that we have in this establishment. So there's the SATA Drive, which is like the bigger, older drives with the dishes on there, and it's kind of old school now, and very easily to damage the old school ones. And then we got the mini drives here. That's on the smaller minis, which I'll open in just a second. These are the minis, and then we got the solid drives. So solid state drives. So look how small these are compared to how times have changed. Much more reliable. It's hard to damage these as opposed to this. Remember, you used to put the computer down weird and I don't know, the discs would always screw up and things of that nature. So this is a Dell Optiplex. If you ever wanted to open one, I'll show you exactly how to do it and get the drive out. So there's this little dashy thing here, and I'll just back up here, and you just kind of slam it like that. You can't really hurt it. And as you can see, there's no drive inside as far as the big drive, which would normally go here. So it's probably a smaller drive, which solid state drive, which is probably right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's right in there. And then we would just pull that out and destroy it. This has sensitive information and stuff, the stuff that we have here. So we would pull it out and destroy it. But if you ever wanted to get into one of these suckers, that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. Standard all Dells, even like home Dells. They're pretty easy to open. And then you just kind of line it up. At least that's the concept. And it should pop right back in. Make me a liar here. There we go. And it just pops right back in. So that's the Optiplex. Those are the Dells. And then we got an HP here. This is a beast. It's the same deal with the HPs, right? Just there's usually a switch in the back. Here it is right here. There's usually a switch you can just pop, and then you just hit it. And again, no drive in here. There's a solid state drive. If you can see it in there, that's right. Okay, because I just saw it. It's right in here. So I'm try to angle it so you can see it. There it is right there, if you can see it. So that's a solid state drive. So that's these suckers right here. So awesome stuff. So put this back in there. Same deal. Just kind of line it up. Make sure the button's back where it is. Before. And then just slam it. And then there you go. Reach all ready to use again. All right, I'll show you some minis. Here's a mini. Here's an Optiplex 7040. And these are pretty simple to open. I'll show you. Just unscrew the back. And then just comes out like that. I already took the drive out on this one. So this was, I believe this was a mini. This was a mini I took out of there. So that's in there. If you wanted to replace the drive, just simply take it out, put it back in. And then just line it up again and just slap it and then it goes to place. Let's see what other goods we have on here. There's this beast right here. And here's an HP, same as Dell, kind of the same deal, right? And then we got, oh my God, this beast right here. So this is a Dell Precision. As you can see, I already took that out. I already took the drive out, and that's what she looks like inside. And you would just there'd be a handle here, and you just pull up the handle. It would come out like that. And got another beast here. Oh yeah, it's right here. Same with this. This is a HP. This is a HP ProDesk. So same deal. There was a handle right here. You just crank on the handle and pull it out. And this one folds up. You can take the drive right out of there. All right. That back. So that was basically it. I just wanted to make a quick video of what we do with the drives here and how to open. It's always pretty easy to open them and take the drive out. If you need to replace it, it's pretty simple. We destroy them because, like I said, sensitive information on there. And I don't know, if you're interested to take a quick peek inside Dell's and HP, the guts of several units, I'll list all the computers that we went through in this video. I thought I would make a quick video on it, and what the heck. All right, gals and guys, that was it. That's all. I thank you. Please subscribe if you enjoyed my videos, and hit the bell for updates, and thumbs up if you like this, and share it with anyone who gives crap. It's kind of a random video, I know, this time out, but I had the stuff here, so I just want to make a quick video on it. And that is all. I appreciate you as always, and I will catch you later.
Introducing the powerful new Optiplex family. Work your way with intuitive AI-based personalization. Expand your world with support for up to 4 native displays. Customize your workspace with a wide range of accessories. Secure your data from device to cloud. And shrink your footprint with the most sustainable Optiplex lineup yet. Reliability and intelligence that revolves around you.